with y'all boys. This winter, man, is getting late hella early. I just woke up, man. I got hella shit to do. I gotta go get some motherfucking coffee, man. I want to hear that exhaust a little bit. Bro, go. What the fuck are you doing? For all this. Oh, this car feels good. Niggas better stop sleeping on the SC. Oh, that bitch hot. 230,000 miles. Stock motor. Oh my god, I hate these things. They always fucking fall off. Shit ain't worth shit. Oh, that bitch is slow as fuck. Why is there so many people here? Oh, they're probably doing something over at the little hall. Alright, trying to wait in line. Oh my goodness, that bitch is wet.
So good. You turbo? What is that right there? Another turbo?
Damn.
Can you push your car already? This car is so fucking nice, bro.
Wanted to get out, show y'all the car real quick. Yep. Supra. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Make sure I'm getting this right angle for y'all. Alright, let's go. See what this shit tasting like. Mm-hmm.